Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today I'm going to teach y'all about 15 USC 1691a, which is the definitions, rules of construction. This is a federal law that prohibits discrimination and the extension of credit. Let's get to it. So, what is 15 USC 1691a a part of? 15 USC 1691a is also known as the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act is just a law that prohibits creditors from discriminating against applicants for credit based on race, color, religion, national origin, marital status, sex, age, or because they receive income from a public assistance program. Now, 1691a defines several terms in the Equal Credit Opportunity Act that are important to understand. Some of these terms include an applicant, which means any person who applies to a creditor directly for an extension, renewal, or continuation of credit, or applies to a creditor indirectly by use of an existing credit plan for an amount exceeding the previously established credit limit. A bureau, which means the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. I don't know if y'all seen my previous video, but I went into it and explained that a consumer reporting agency is not a credit bureau. The only bureau is the CFPB, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Credit, which means the right granted by a creditor to a debtor to defer payment of debt or to incur debts and defers payment, or to purchase property or services and defer payment. A creditor, which is a person or business that extends credit. A person, which means a natural person, a corporation, government or governmental subdivision or agency, trust, estate, partnership, cooperative, or association. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act also has rules of construction. These rules explain how the law should be interpreted, and if you don't know what rules of construction is, I'll put a video up top that I've already made going over what rules of construction actually mean. So go ahead and check that out. But some of the rules of construction for the Equal Credit Opportunity Act include: the law should be interpreted in a way that protects consumers' rights. Another, the law should be interpreted in a way that is consistent with the other federal laws. And another is, the law should be interpreted in a way that is fair and reasonable. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act applies to a wide range of businesses. Some of these businesses include like banks, credit unions, mortgage lenders, your retail stores, finance companies, pretty much anybody who extends credit to you, they fall under the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. What rights does the Equal Credit Opportunity give consumers? It actually gives consumers several rights, which some of them include the right to be treated fairly by creditors, the right to receive a copy of their credit report from each of the major 3 consumer reporting agencies once a year, and until the end of this year you can get it once weekly. The right to dispute any inaccurate or incomplete information on your consumer report. The right to have a consumer reporting agency investigate any disputed information. The right to have the consumer reporting agency correct any inaccurate or incomplete information. You also have the right to be informed of the reasons for a creditor's decision to deny you credit. And you also have the right to be informed of the creditor's right to reevaluate any application after a certain period of time. Now, I just want to give y'all about 3 or 4 examples of how the Equal Credit Opportunity Act applies to real life situations. So, a creditor cannot refuse to give you a loan because you're black, or white, or Mexican, or Chinese, or whatever the case may be. A creditor cannot charge you a higher interest rate because you're a female or a male. A creditor can't ask you about your marital status on a credit application. A creditor can't deny you of a loan because you receive income from a public assistance program. These are just violations to the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. If you believe that a creditor has violated the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. You can also sue the creditor in court. The Equal Credit Opportunity is a complex law, but it's important to understand for us as consumers our rights under this law. In this video, I only cover 1691a, which is the definitions, rules of construction, but you can pull the entire act by just Googling 15 USC questions about the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, I would advise you to consult with the consumer lawyer. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my